So that was my first time deadlifting, really deadlifting, back since I had my injury. So I think it's been over 3 months, about 3 months, 1 week since I tore my bicep and everything. That was pretty pitiful, 385. Hasn't felt that heavy since I started deadlifting and everything, yeah. Because when I started deadlifting, I best maxed out. I did like a deadlift competition, trained up to there. I did 385, weighing in like 165, and granted that was 5 reps, ooh, but anyways, yeah, 385 just felt like that was tough. I ended up getting up to about 451 or whatever. We'll put my belt on 451. Just that was tough. I don't know, but back just feels super weak because I haven't been working it and everything. Lost, I don't know, probably 150 pounds on my deadlift. I'm not sure where I can max out at, but pretty pathetic. I'm just gonna only doing a few. Let's see how many sets I did. One plate, 2 plates, and 3. And then 4, so I only did 4 sets here. The first set with just 1 plate aside, I didn't film. But not gonna do too hard, try to ease it back a little bit. Use my, reverse grip up to the first 2 sets, and then 385 and the 451. Ended up using straps or whatever. Hopefully my arm heals a little more. I'm not sure what my grip's going to be like once I go back to it. Probably still going to use a mixed grip. Not sure if I can get hook grip working or miraculously double overhand. Because I tried to start out with 385 double overhand, couldn't budget. I don't know, I'm just super weak right now. Anyways, just work it a little bit at a time and everything. Try to get my lower back to strengthen up again from hopefully where I was at or close to it. Not sure how long it's going to take, so guess it's not too bad. My only like 3 months out for it or whatever, and I'm deadlifting again and everything because my arm's feeling better. I'm able to strengthen it, less pain in here, less forearm pain. So this arm starting to work a little better. My arm is obviously shrunk quite a bit. I just measured it. This is a 17 and a half, 16 and a half. So I have about an inch difference in my left arm now and everything. So I gotta build that back up somehow, try to make it symmetrical. Got an inch to ground or whatever to get this back. So that'll be fun figuring out. Anyways, thanks for watching.